Welcome to Jujas and Avis Vlog. Ngayon, nagliligpit po kami ng aming mga damit ukay-ukay.
Should we help me do that?
Oh.
We open next?
Yeah, you can unbox this one. That's yours. May dumating sa kanyang ano.
Should we open next, please?
Yeah, you open.
Open, please.
You should open, sis. You're the one.
No, I don't want to open myself.
You can't open yourself.
No.
By yourself. Bebe. You hold here, and then I will.
I'm gonna video you.
Wala pa kasing ano eh. Yay!
What?
Yay! Wow! Yay!
My swimming.
Huh? May swimming daw.
Mama. Wow.
Yes, you have to say thank you, mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
I love you.
What?
You tell I love you to mommy.
I love you, Mommy.
Tatay. What's the name of your tatay?
Happy.
Oh, what's the name of your mommy?
It's lovely.
Wow! Oh!
Wow, that's all for you, sis.
Wow!
A rainbow.
It's a rainbow.
I like it.
Oh,
Yellow. White.
huh? This is white. Is this red? No, I think it's not white.
Strawberry, sis. That's strawberry, right?
Strawberry.
A flower?
What color?
Strawberry. And lemon.
It's a lemon.
And lemon.
It's a flower. How about the others? Wow, it's a watermelon. It's a milk.
Wow.
I like it.
Hmm.
So much.
Oh, what color is this? This one, what color is this?
It's a pink.
No, it melts.
Pink. This one is
Melt.
not milk.
Milk yung drawing eh.
This one is
It's flower.
it's a flower. This one is
A pineapple.
Apple.
no. And this one is
Watermelon.
and this one is
A lemon.
Lemon.
this one is
A flower.
No. Yellow.
okay.
Yellow.
Oh, this one, what is this?
And purple.
Oh, this one is what is this?
It's
What is it? It's leaves.
Leaves.
Yeah, leaves. What do you want to say?
that's to me.
Yeah, this is all for you. You have to say thank you. Thank you too.
Mommy.
Okay.
Thank you, Mommy. Do that. I want to.
Oh no, we
I-
should wash this first.
Wash,
This is
yes.
This is new one. We have to wash first.
Yeah.
Clean. No, not yeah.
Not now, sis.
Not now. We have to.
Put it in the seaweed.
Yeah. We should wash first
then
and
put
dry.
And,
Put it in my body. Yay.
wash it in the what? And wash it in the
Water.
what is the
Swimming pool.
no.
Is it in the timba?
Well, wash it in the road.
Okay. Sige, tomorrow. We have to fix this also because this is okay. Thank you.
Thank you, mommy. I love you, mommy.
Please subscribe.
Your channel.
Our channel. Till next time.
Hey, red tummy.
Bye-bye.
And movie.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. See you on our next video.
Yay.
Please subscribe to our
Channel.
Look at my teeth. Oh, not a teeth. It's just a tooth. Can you show me your tooth?
Oh.
Ah!
There's a, ano pa?
Oh, there's a mask.
Mommy.
Okay.